guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm the Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually buy and review and do tutorials of affordable, inexpensive makeup from Walmart, various websites, drugstore, dollar store. I tested my face and I passed the savings to you guys. So this is the video of a new makeup release from Profusion Cosmetics. This is their Halloween themed and Halloween release. So I'm gonna go through all the products I purchased and I'm gonna show you how they apply, how they work, and what I think about them at the end. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell down below so YouTube notifies you every time I upload. I upload 3 times a week, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live every Sunday at 9 AM Pacific time as well, which is 5 PM in UK. So like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box. So let's get right into this. So I noticed that Profusion came out with a new Halloween makeup. I normally don't like the concept of Halloween palettes or Halloween makeup because it kind of, I can make a Halloween look with any palette, so it makes no sense to me. It just doesn't make any sense. So when I went to Profusion website, I was interested in glitter, some liners and lipsticks, which I did get. But the Halloween-based, Halloween-themed makeup palettes, they're gone. They're all sold out. So I did not get any palettes, which I wasn't actually that interested in anyway. So I like to do some creative looks on my channel sometimes with like a body paint and face paint. So I got some face paints. Clearly I did not use them today because I just decided to use all makeup items that you can use on a daily basis. But the paints, I'm gonna give you swatches, so you're gonna see that. So I'm gonna go item by item. I'm gonna swatch. I'm gonna show you a little clip, insert it somewhere here, or split screen. We'll see what happens in the future. That's future Elaina problems. So I got some UV neon liners for the eyeliner, and I got some the $3 each. I got some terrific face and body paint, the $3 each. And I also got matte lipsticks, that $3 each. Everything's really inexpensive. And I got some glitter, pressed glitter, which is $3 each. So everything was $3. So I'm gonna show you right now the packaging. The packaging is really cute. So first I mentioned the eyeliner. So this is UV neon liner. Yeah, it comes out of the coffin. So this one I already took it out. That's gold. And that's silver. So I got 2 colors that had other colors, but I have a lot of UV liners, so I kind of wasn't interested in getting more colors because I already have them. So I'm gonna show you a little swatches. So the gold one you're gonna see me applying later, but here it is. And the other thing is the brush is a little thick. It says you can do precise lines, but to me, I mean, it's small, but I could go smaller. So if you really like thin lines, you probably would want to use something else, but here's the deal. It is very smooth. It is very how would I say it? It's not very dry. So see, I have it in my eyes. I'm gonna zoom in. So I put out the gold in this look. I mean, these are my favorite colors: purple, green, and blue. I mean, I love this. So yeah, so you can see it literally, and it's been on for a while, for like an hour or so, once I started to apply makeup, you know, everything else. So it does not crack. It's very nice. So actually I'm very pleased with it. Okay, here's the silver one. It looks just like it. It says RIP, which is very cool. I usually don't like kind of kitschy Halloween themed packaging, but I mean, it's cheap enough to kind of have fun. So there it is. That's 2 of them. And now the ultimate test. Do they work with a black light? Yeah, it sort of works, I guess. It's not like the most bright thing ever. Yeah, I've seen some better neon UV liners. But for the purpose of the eyeliner, I think it works really well because it's very creamy. It's not drying. It dries into very smooth texture, very shiny. I have no problems with it. Really nice eyeliner. So these were $3 each, really inexpensive, great job. The only drawback, if you don't like scents, I mean, you're not gonna be smelling it, but it kind of smells like a chemical spill. So just heads up, don't be sniffing it. So now we got glitters, or yeah, the glitters. I'm going to like insert the clip of me applying this. If you guys are interested, on a side note, what I'm wearing my eyes, the makeup. Obviously, this is not a makeup tutorial, it's just an application video and review. So these are two palettes from Profusion. I decided to go most of the Profusion makeup. So the foundation is Profusion, the contour palette is Profusion. The Wanderlust palette is where I got the purples and the blue, like a deeper blue on our outer corner. And I also use the Spectrum palette for the lighter purple to blend it out. So these are the two palettes that I used. I used the highlighter shades here. I used the green shades, shimmer, like the shimmer, the blue, the green, the highlighter shade, this one, this one. I used a lot of this. I have not used this in a while, so I'm like, let me go back to Profusion. It's a really nice palette. I actually even like it better now than I used to. So there, if you're interested, really inexpensive stuff and works really well. So let's go on to the makeup. So the three items, three glitters, I got only three colors. That's the ones I was interested in: the Iridescent, the green, and the blue. So here's the packaging. I have not taken the Iridescent out yet. So that's what it looks like. Real cute, spectacular, sparkle Iridescent. It says press glitter pigment. It does not say that it's not eye safe, because I was wondering. It says using the flat brush, gently press the pigment into desired area and continue to layer for a spectacular finish. It really works well as advertised. No primer, no glitter glue, nothing. I applied it over the shimmer eyeshadow because I felt like I needed a little base for the green and blue first, so it like really opaque, so there's like no skin, you know, so you can't see anything under. So let me swatch. I mean, I bet you're dying to see the glitter swatch. So look at the Iridescent. I mean, it like sparkles and reflects all kind of colors. This is absolutely delicious. You're gonna see the swatch. I'm gonna do a couple of passes. Look at that. Let me turn down the light here. Do you see that? How beautiful that is. Oh, that is stunning. So this is Iridescent, and it's a huge pan. Look at the size of the pan. It's huge. That's not your regular glitter pan. That's like humongous, and it's only $3. Profusion, you rock. So here's the blue one. Look at the richness. It's so good. Profusion glitters are unbelievably good. I am so pleased with Profusion glitter. And that's not the first time I'm using. I have another glitter palette. So if you're interested to see how the palettes perform, I'm going to link them. The videos, I have separate videos for each of them. And I can link you to the old videos where I did the makeup tutorials. And here's the green one. I'm all over the place. I'm just so excited about glitter. I'm kind of losing it. Because, you know, glitter. I bet Maria is gonna be happy. Maria loves glitter. If you don't know who Maria is, I'm going to list her channel in the description box. She's a glitter lover and she has a very nice makeup collection. Look at that. Ooh. That is beautiful. I would say I like the Iridescent and the green has like a different color reflex as well. I mean, these glitters are freaking spectacular, just spectacular. Then we got the $3 matte lipsticks, and of course I had to get red because of my beautiful friend Teresa. I got obsessed with red because of her. I hated red with all my guts before. I hated it. Now I'm like a red. Yeah, that happened. And I got purple for me, of course. Purple is still my favorite. And here's red. So I'm gonna do a little swatch so you can see the purples on my lips. And real nice. Really rich. Actually, judging by the way it looks in the packaging, it kind of looks lighter. On the lips, it looks even more rich, which I love. And here is a red one. Let's see what it says. Glide your way to a monsterific pout. What? Let me see actually. Huh. It does not transfer. It dried. Because when it says matte cream, lip cream, the word cream kind of confused me. I was wondering if it's gonna be kind of like, you know, smudgy. Kind of like NYX. I don't like NYX lip creams because they smudge. This is a really beautiful rich red. I cannot wait to try this on my lips. It's very smooth actually. I like the formula, as you can see. It's not cracking. The lips look pretty smooth. If you see a little glitter, that's from the spray. I used the excess of the XX Revolution spray, the one that stinks, and I finally panned it. So the offensive smelling wet dog is gone. Bye. So the last bit of it kind of offensively sprayed me real hard. So you can see the spray. And I'm really impressed with this matte lipstick. It smells nice actually. The matte lipstick has a nice scent. It's not like chemical spill like the eyeliners. So this is the purple. I'm gonna give you a little swatch of the purple. Yeah, the purple looks so much better on your lips than it is in the bottle. I mean, in the container. Definitely looks better on the lips. So the last item, I got these. These are the face and body paint. I have palette that I bought on Amazon, and I used it in my lives, like on YouTube live, and I think I used them like on 1 or 2 videos for the kind of extreme looks, Halloween looks, where I use paint on my face. And with the oil paint, cream paint, I find that it's, I mean, I'm a blonde that complains that oil paint is oily. But it is, like when it warms up in the skin, your skin gets so oily, so you have to set it, and even when you set it, it's like, I don't know, I'm kind of like very hard to work with. So this is supposed to be similar, but I did swatch already, I'm gonna show you. When I applied it, it felt like it wasn't as oily. It says keep calm and scare on with this long wearing face and body paint. The creamy full coverage formula and highly pigmented vivid hues allow you to create totally gold to terrific looks all season long, using a sponge or a brush, blah blah blah. Yeah, so I got these colors, and the reason being I didn't get any others because this is all you need. With the primary colors, you can create any color possible. Add in black and white, you can create literally the whole rainbow. So I got 4 of them, I mean 5. So this one comes as in 1.28 ounces, which is 38 milliliters. It's a very large amount. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of each. And I find that the texture is a little drier, which I like. So I can't wait to try to use it on my face. So stay tuned for that. So that's white. It does feel very soft and creamy, but I have a feeling that it's not going to be as oily as the other one. It's black. I mean, obviously black is black. Gotta say, it's very opaque, as advertised. And then you can mix blue and yellow, create green. You can mix a red and blue, create purple, and so on and so forth. You can create any colors, so I'm happy with my selection. Look at the blue, that's really pretty. That's a nice red, real nice. So I kind of been struggling with the content lately, guys. I don't know, like I'm just speaking to you, like I'm doing something else, but I'm just kind of brainstorming what to do on my channel because my channel kind of been dead. I know I gained a lot of subscribers like in a few weeks, but a lot of it thanks to Missa promoting us, me and Teresa. But it seems like YouTube's still not showing my content. And ever since I started to do Halloween videos, my channel is dead. Literally no new subscribers. I only lost a couple of subscribers, that's it. So it makes me wonder, is Halloween good for YouTube's? Or people just don't care for Halloween? I mean, it has to be searchable, and I don't think people search for that actually. So yeah, I think I need to do more regular content than Halloween looks. I need to like slow down, although I love doing special looks, but it doesn't seem like it's good for my channel. So that's all of them. Yellow is a little transparent, but I think you can build it up. So that's all 5. And I mean, obviously you can mix them, so yeah. So that's all the items I got. As you can see in little clips I inserted somewhere here or there. The application, everything's fine. The lips, very comfortable, not dry, not too oily. They're just perfect matte formula that does not crack and doesn't transfer. I'm really impressed. And for this price, for the $3, everything is $3. I mean, I'm really impressed. So thank you, Profusion. You're awesome. I wish I could get some PR. I'm just joking, because I keep promoting Profusion all the time. So my girls, you know, my friend Teresa and Tia, they're like, Elaina needs Profusion PR. I'm like, yes, I do. Wishful thinking. Oh well. So let me know, guys, what you think. Did you pick up any of these items? And by the way, I just looked on Profusion website, and at the time of filming this, the palettes are now available. So they're out of stock, but now the palettes are available. The palettes, a couple of them are very neutral, and one of them is a kind of a rainbow palette. I already have a rainbow palette from Spectrum, so for me, getting just a Halloween type of packaging just for that, kind of not worth it. But if you guys are interested, check it out. I'm going to link Profusion website. Clearly I don't need to link every single product, because once you go to Profusion website, the first thing you see the Halloween stuff, you know, have all the Halloween items. Everything $3, amazing. The quality is outstanding. I'm very impressed. So leave me a comment, like this video, it really helps me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live every Sunday at 9 AM Pacific time, which is 5 PM in UK. So in that live session I usually do more extreme looks, some painting and some Halloween stuff, and we just have fun, chat and make jokes and fun of each other. So join me on Sunday for fun time, and follow me Instagram, Twitter. The links are in the description box. So thank you for all the patrons that signed up to my Patreon group. I really appreciate your help, guys. If you're interested, the link to my Patreon group is also in the description box. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!